When adversity strikes, sometimes it's best to fall back on our experiences, life lessons, and even the training that we've had sometime or other through our lives. That's the Sage Insights tip of the day theme, trust my training. The question for this Thursday is as follows. How do you remain positive during times of adversity? What self-talk, affirmations, or sources of inspiration you call on to keep you motivated and moving during tough times? The Sage Insights response today is as follows. The first thing I do is take a couple of deep breaths. Then I remind myself that I'm not the first person going through this, and I definitely won't be the last. Finally, I just trust my training in these adverse situations. I try to learn all the details and work tirelessly, understanding, exalt why each detail is important. So in adverse situations, I trust all the training I've been doing is going to pay off. A great foundation to help you respond rationally, reasonably in the light of obstacles. Don't forget to tell others to sign up for the Steve Gavatorta YouTube site where you can see other Sage Insights tips and the place where you can not only learn to assertively face those obstacles in your life, hopefully successfully overcome them, and at the least learn a valuable lesson. Have a great day.